Really, this airport is, oh, it's so cool. We're in Chicago Airport and we have a 25 minutes walk to our next gate. We're heading towards North Carolina. Oh my God, this is so pretty. Finally, naabot na good me. Niland na good me. We land 30 minutes early today. I thought we'd be landing late, but we're on time. So now we're headed towards our baggage claim to pick up our luggage. Got picked up from the airport. My son picked us up. Now we're heading towards the Asian groceries in Raleigh, of course. We have to pick up some Filipino food so we can make Filipino dishes.
Look at these live fish.
What kind of fish?
Tilapia.
Well, I don't want tilapia though.
They have big lips.
Alright, so we're in the Asian
See their
store right
face?
now.
Look at their face.
I don't want to look at their face.
It's funny.
Okay, that's me. Naghana ka nila pista din yung mga kaibigan sa kuan. Diri sa Asian groceries, diri sa kuan ba? Grand Asia. Angan sa tindahan is Grand Asia sa Raleigh, North Carolina. So magtanaw-tanaw sa taon sa palito na ako. Hala, oh my God, we finally got here now in my son's house. So they got all these dogs. So look at they have. This is barley. There's rye. We have prey, and we have all these cats and all these animals. So tanawa mga friend, oh. Nindot kay din he. Tapay, oh, daghanan nilang iring. Oy, oy, hi kitty. Daghanang iring din he. Mapa sila garden din he ani, pero this guy din namatay na lang siya kay ay wala pa namatay. Kanang nalaya na ba kay ang season, nag-change naman ang season. Oo, napot sila like wildflowers. Look at all the wildflowers, it's so pretty. Wow. Kani siya mauni diha ilang garden. Karon wa na kay end of the season naman sa mga garden, sa mga vegetable. So wala na vegetable din hi. Pero mauni din hi ilang vegetable na. Gikuan na po na nalibon. Ay, ako mga butang guys. Napa man da ini sa kuan ay sakyanan. Adto niya ko unya dito mga kaibigan. Kay kana diha anak dapita sa ako giha property gihapon na sa akong anak ngadto. Ninduta dapay butterfly, oh, tanawa, oh. Hala, kaninduta niya eh. Sa kani siya mga seeds ra ni mo palit mog seeds niya inyo lang itro din ha.
Yeah.
Dili na kuan.
No, I till it. I'll mow it down. I'll mow it down, then I'll do like a light till.
Oh,
with a
like
tractor.
anaan lang dito
With a
gamay.
tractor, no, I use the tractor, the blades. I till it, and then I'll sprinkle the seeds.
Sprinkle the seeds sus ninduta niya. Oh, tanawa na ihang mga flowers to. Grabe. Ka mga nindot. Daghan sa kining bee din himungan hinindot.
Oh, there's a lot.
Favorite na sa mga kuan. Oh yeah.
All types of different
Flowers.
right there. A lot of different types of wildlife.
Yeah, and tapos ay katong red, oh. Ang red lagi dong favorite sa kuano, sa favorite sa butterfly, yeah. Now they are Good boy, Benji. Good boy, huh? Good boy, yeah. He's a good horsey.
Alright, you ready?
Good boy, yeah. Yeah, I know. We call you, huh? We did call you. Aww. We did call Benji. Yeah. Okay, Benji. We're gonna see you later. Okay. Too. Hi, Benji. Hi, Benji. Hi. Too. Okay. All right. Nang akong anak na babae kay I was coming from Wisconsin, my daughter is coming from Georgia, And we are vacationing here at my son's house in North Carolina. Oh, my grandson. My cute grandson. Yay! Good job, Carson. Wow. He's so shy. He's very shy. This one. He's handsome but so shy. Wow, good job. Nag-visit na sila sa donkey. Now we're gonna go and say hi to the donkey and a little pony. Look at this cat. Huh? He's doing like a gymnastic move. God, this is so beautiful here. Beautiful. Parang akong my grandson. He's busy with the toys.
I dug a hole.
Sorry to bring up the traumatizing thing.
No, it's like you even you can go in there and jump. It's not like an easy task. And then a lot of the times too, when you like put a horse down,
Okay, Mama, come.
and Ati.
And Auntie. All right, Mama's coming. You want to jump? Jump. Good job. Yay! Look at him go, babe. Oh, Mama. Okay, let's pick up your stuff.
Second after it was all said and
Let's
done.
see. Play. Okay, come on. Oh. Look, they got kitchen.
Gonna go back there now.
Big monster trucks over there too.
Angie, Ate is calling you.
Can I have something too?
No.
No? Why not?
She's giving this to me.
Why not?
You gonna give something to Ate? Like a toy?
Please.
How did you say that? It's funny.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a big dog. Look, this is like a big baby, right?
Yeah.
Big baby. Apo ko, busy ng ano. He's very busy playing right now. Kahit ano ang makita niya, laruan. Ito yung isang big baby nga dog, oh. Very sweet dog. His name
Her. It's a girl.
Prey. Oh, it's a girl, not a boy. Her name is Prey. Are you busy? RR.
What do you
Are you busy?
It's R.
Lingaw kaayong mga kuan din hiba. Farm sa akong anak ko. Small family farm lang gud, oh. Ilahara. Lingaw kaayo. Look at this turkey. Na pa sila dak nga puti ba. Nindot kita na mura siyag swan. Oh. Tanawa gud na, oh. Ay, naghanap ko. Ang andin hiya. Nindot kaayo. Malingaw siya din. Ay, dapat sila yung mga manok. Oh. Naalin-lain na ni sila. So, wala ni sila palit-palit of eggs. They never buy eggs because they have a lot of chicken running around their backyard. There is their chicken. So, oh, there's another chicken. And but they lay eggs all everywhere. So, mabaw kag pangita. They lay eggs sa bisan asa lang nga dapit ba. So, sometimes mabaw kag pangita sa ilang mga itlog. Ah, my God, kadaghang mamaawan din here. Eh, asa naman ni sila? Mabalik na lang po eh. At na yung, niya namin nga rin karon ba sa kuan kanang food truck. Ridge corner angan. So, mauna siya diri. Awa. Pero tanawa ko mga apo. Look at all my grandchildren. These are all my grandkids. All my grandkids right there. I have 3 grandkids. They're having so much fun. This is my oldest one, my oldest grandchild. And then the next one is this one,
Go down.
my son.
Up.
This one is my youngest.
Yes. Let's see how fast you can go, Archie.
Come here.
Help him, buddy. Encourage him. Say, go, Archie. Go, Archie. Go, Archie.
Get on the slide?
I'm about to pretend to scare him. Let me get Archie. I need to eat him. Oh, there we go. All right, Carson's turn. How fast
Carson's.
can Carson go?
Whoa! Good job.
Good job, buddy. Yeah. Son knows that.
Yeah, she told me.
My family. Got my family.
She told me.
Where's I have two more girls that's in the buying some ice cream. So look at yan akong mga anak ko dara. Awa sila, akong apo, akong anak na laki. Dara akong apo pag yun sa
Traffic bad leaving.
So we are
Is
here.
the traffic bad leaving?
No.
It wasn't that bad. It was very short. I tried to.
Ow, ow, ow.
What happened? What happened?
I have a mile.
Out the window.
I can't be Dr. Seuss. No, I'm not. I'm from the Philippines.
He has the hardest time reading. The hardest time.
Take a break. It's okay.
I'm like, you go get
Okay, buddy.
Are you going where random? Hello, it really doesn't know you. It really doesn't look like you're good at time, but I love it.
I love it too.
Hello, I'm a trash can. Oh, who's this? Bouncy, bouncy, get off me.
Oh my god.
Get off of me, you.
Oh no.
Ouchie. I'm a baby
That's
now.
my beautiful
I'm a
granddaughter.
belly now.
And that's my beautiful daughter and my beautiful
Oh
granddaughter.
my
Look at her chair.
What?
So, what happened?
God.
Oh,
What?
so much fun. The aunt and the niece. The aunt and the niece having such a sweet times.
Baba. What?
She's silly. You're silly.
Bobby down. What?
And here's my grandson's room right here. Just look at his room. He's 3 years old, and look at his dinosaur and all his stuff. It's really cute room.